Struggling to find the right lighting for those dark corners in your home? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, MCGOR 14.7-inch motion sensor light. Check out the MCGOR 14.7-inch under cabinet lighting. Priced at $47.83, this rechargeable motion sensor light genuinely caught my attention with its sleek design and impressive features. If you want hassle-free lighting that activates automatically, this is worth a serious look. Imagine not fumbling for a switch when you come into a dark kitchen. It lights up as you approach, making your life so much easier, especially at night. Plus, it's rechargeable with a 2500 mAh battery lasting between 7 to 45 days on motion sensor mode depending on usage. Now that's convenience. The adjustable brightness with 5 dimming levels means you can choose the perfect light for meal prep or dim it for a night light. Now some people complained about the light being a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, if you have tight spaces, this might feel like a stretch, but for larger areas it truly shines. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable hands-free lighting solution in your kitchen or closet. Skip this one if you need something ultra-slim for cramped spots. For the price, you're getting a solid value for such functionality. Now, if that bulkiness bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, MCGOR 10-inch motion sensor light. Next up is the MCGOR 10-inch under cabinet lighting, retailing at $36.19. It's a slightly smaller sibling of the previous one, and it's just as impressive. If you're after a more compact option that still delivers, this could be your pick. This model features the same fantastic motion sensor that activates within 10 feet and can be set to stay on all day or just at night. The 1800 mAh rechargeable battery lasts for 7 to 45 days on sensor mode as well. That means you won't have to deal with constant recharging, truly a game changer for busy households. Plus, with 5 brightness levels, you can quickly adjust it to suit your needs, whether you're cooking or just navigating at night. However, some users noted that the charge time can be a little long. But here's the thing, if you're okay with charging it every few weeks, it's a minor trade-off for the convenience it offers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable light that won't break the bank. Skip this if you're after something that doesn't require regular charging. At this price, it's still a great deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want customizable features. Product number 3, Gritton 10.2-inch under cabinet light. Now let's talk about the Gritton 10.2-inch under cabinet lighting, which you can grab for just $12.90. This budget-friendly option offers great functionality without breaking the bank. If you want something cost-effective with solid features, this is a fantastic choice. What's impressive here is the 84 super bright LEDs that can be adjusted to 3 color temperatures: warm, cool, and mixed. This means you can easily switch to the right ambience for cooking or relaxing. And with its 5 brightness levels, you've got control over how bright you want it. The sensors work well too, activating within 10 feet so you're never left in the dark. Plus, it can last up to 8 hours on full brightness. But some users mention that the brightness may not be sufficient for larger kitchens. Here's the thing, if you have a smaller space, it performs beautifully, but if you're lighting up a larger area, you might want to consider a pair. This is perfect for you if you want a budget option that still packs a punch. Skip this one if you need brighter lights for a bigger kitchen. For under $15, it's a steal. Now, if you want something with a bit more flair and features, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, EZVA L06 Pack under cabinet lighting. Up next is the EZVA L06 Pack under cabinet lighting, priced at $58.17. This one truly aims to impress with its versatile features. If you're someone who wants multiple lights and smart functionality, this is a solid contender. This pack includes 6 lights, all equipped with a remote control. The lights detect motion within 10 feet, and the 3 color temperatures provide the perfect lighting for any task. Plus, you can charge 3 lights at once, which is a huge time saver. The battery life is impressive too, lasting between 13 to 40 days on auto mode. However, some users have pointed out that the remote can sometimes be finicky. Here's the thing though, if you're not relying solely on the remote, the onboard controls work just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive lighting solution for various rooms. Skip this if you prefer something simpler without the remote. At this price, you're getting a lot of versatility. Finally, if you want something really simple and effective, the last product is a great option. Product number 5, EasyVA-LO 2400mAh Motion Sensor Light. Lastly, we have the EasyVA-LO under cabinet lighting with a 2400mAh battery, available for just $12.92. This is a great option for anyone looking for basic functionality without the extra bells and whistles. If you want something straightforward but effective, this light can fit the bill. It also features 5 brightness levels, making it adaptable for any environment. The battery life is solid, lasting up to 40 days in motion-activated mode and 11.5 hours on constant brightness. That's reliable performance for everyday use. Some users have mentioned the adhesive plates can be a bit tricky to stick properly. Here's the thing, as long as you take your time with placement, it holds up pretty well. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, no-fuss lighting solution. Skip this if you want something with more advanced features. For under $13, it's a very good value. So there you have it, a 5 solid under cabinet lighting options that cater to different needs and budgets. To recap, we've covered some excellent choices. The MCGOR 14.7-inch for motion sensitivity, the compact MCGOR 10-inch, the budget-friendly Griton, the feature-rich EasyVA-LO 6-pack, and the EasyVA-LO 2400mAh for simplicity. Trophy, if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the EasyVA-LO 6-pack because of its versatility and remote control features. I'd suggest avoiding the Griton if you need high brightness for larger spaces. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.